Good morning, students. Myself, Acharya Dhruvi. Today I will demonstrate a nail care and foot care. So let's get started. Firstly, we will perform a three preparation. First, tray preparation. Second, environmental preparation. And third, patient preparation. In tray preparation, I will show you a clean tray containing yeast. This is a nail care tray with cover. We will remove a tray cover and proceed with a tray containing. Tray cover is placed at edge of the bed. So the first article is nail cutter to cut the nails, nail filer to file the nails, Savlon to disinfect the nail, hot cold water jug and hot water jug to soften the nails, a bowl containing with a gauze paste to collect the nail after a cutting, Vaseline to moisture the nails, Macintosh with a draw sheet to prevent or protect a bad linen and garments, kidney tray to collect waste material, small towel to dry your fingers, gloves to prevent cross infection, paper bag to collect a dry waste, and record sheet to maintain a record and report. Basin to soak a finger into it. The second preparation is environmental preparation. In that, arrange all the articles conveniently, and second, unit should be clean and neat. Now the third preparation is patient preparation. Check the nails of the patient for any signs of the infection. Explain the procedure to the patient to win his confidence and cooperation. Give comfortable position to the client sitting or a fowler position. After a patient preparation, we will do hand washing and after that wear a gloves. Remove all the ornaments what you wear. First, wet the hands with water. Apply enough soap to cover all hand surface. First step is palm to palm, back to palm. Each step are performing with both hands. Third is finger interlacing. Fourth step is finger interlocking, or you can say interlock. Then thumb rotation, vice versa, thumb rotation. Next step is rotational rubbing of fingertips, first clockwise and then after anti-clockwise. Then the last step is wrist wash. Each step are performed at least 2 to 3 times. Rinse the hands with water. Use elbow to turn on the tap. Dry hands thoroughly with a clean towel. Now we will take Macintosh and draw sheet and spread onto a bed linen. Fill a basin with water. First take a hot water jug and cold water jug. Fill a basin with hot water and cold water. Now we will mix the water in a basin and check. Savlon water ratio for disinfection is 60 ml Savlon plain into 1 liter water. This is a disinfection of water. Now we will check a temperature with back of my palm. Let the patient dip his finger in the bowl of warm water for 10 to 20 minutes. For fingers or a hand, we will take a small towel to make a mitten of it. Dip a nearest hand into a basin when we are performing a nail cutting to the furthest hand. Step is take a gauze piece and a nail cutter. Put a gauze piece under a nail and open a nail cutter. and cut the nails first, cut to the corner and then cut to the center. We will perform the same procedure to all the nails. Collect the nails and discard the nails with a gauze piece into a kidney tray. Apply Vaseline after the procedure. Open a Vaseline. Put Vaseline onto a cotton and apply at nails and discard a cotton after applying into a kidney tray. Now we will perform a foot care. A foot care tray is same as nail care tray. Preparation of the patient. Explain the procedure to the patient to win his confidence and cooperation. Give comfortable position to the client. Sitting position if possible. Inspect the feet of the patient of any sign of infection. Now we'll put Macintosh and the draw sheet below a feet. We will mix the water in a basin just like we did at a nail care procedure. I am performing a foot care on a stable patient, so he or she cooperating me and take a sitting position. And if patient is unstable, then you can position him in a Fowler bed or a Fowler position. Allow patient's feet in a basin to soak for 10 to 20 minutes and rewarm the water after 10 minutes if necessary. Now take a furthest feet and wipe with a mitten. Dip a nearest feet into a basin when we are performing nail cutting to the furthest feet. Take a gauze piece and nail cutter to cut the toenails. Place a gauze piece under a toenail and cut a nail first with the corner. And then within a center you have to cut it. Collect all the nails and discard in a kidney tray with a gauze piece. Now we will take second gauze piece and cut all the fingernails. First within a corner. And then center. Collect the nails and discard it with the gauze piece into a kidney tray. Then a third gauze piece place into a toe finger. Cut the nail within a corner. And collect with the gauze piece and discard into a kidney tray. Take a new gauze piece, same as cut the nail with the corner and then in the center. Discard the gauze piece to collect the nail and discard in the kidney tray. Take a new gauze piece and same as cut the nail from the corners to the center and then collect all the dirt within a gauze piece and discard a gauze piece into a kidney tray. Take a cotton piece. Take a Vaseline bottle. Apply a Vaseline to the cotton. After filing all the toenails, we will put a Vaseline into a nail to moisture a nail. Now we will perform the same procedure into a nearest feet, same as further it need foot care. In aftercare, remove Macintosh and towel, make the patient comfortable, record the procedure, include the time and cleaning agents used and condition of the feet, tidy up the unit, take all the articles to the utility room, discard the waste and clean used article with a soap and water and replace them. Wash hands. Give health education to the relatives on a prevention of infection and care of feet.